how to fix your hunchback posture in 10 minutes, it's gonna take a little practice. But with doing these habits every day in about 4 weeks' time, you should start to notice that this posture starts to correct and grows into something like that. Dr. Todd Johnsonbaugh, and today we're going to give you 4 quick exercises that you can do to start to transform your posture from here all the way to here. Hey, let's go. First one, you could use furniture sliders for this. This is a great one and an easy one to do though. Just warm up the spine. And remember, when we typically have bad posture, we fold in. Just to do this kind of hurts. But anyways, what I want you to do is try to get yourself to neutral. And then I want you to open up. I want you to open up from the hips, and I want you to then come back to neutral. Hey, if this is too much for you to turn out this far, don't go into pain, but let's just get 5 nice reps of this just to warm up. Hey, if you don't have furniture sliders, you could try sliding your feet on the floor, or just the action of stepping off of here and just squeezing and opening and closing is a great warm-up and starts to encourage you to open up a spine that's been closed for so many years. Now, you go to our wall and we have this exercise called Brugers. The feet are 3 to 6 inches from the wall. Then what I do is, again, shoulder blades are pressing down, trying to put my shoulder blades in the pocket. I hold my abs tight. I am holding a nice natural curve in my spine as I lift through the crown of my head. Then all I'm going to do is take my hands at this 90-degree posture and open up as far as I can. And again, I'm going to do this 3 to 5 reps. But if you do this throughout the day, you will start to notice it is easier to stand straight. 3 reps this way, or for those folks a little bit more advanced, you can come on up here at that 90-degree posture and again, opening through here, making sure at all times that my abs are tight, my shoulder blades are drawn down, and I am lifting through the crown of my head. For your more advanced folks, hey, let's go over to the table here. So here I am, I have a foam roll, but if you don't have a foam roll, we have a towel roll, and you could use a towel roll just like the one we have right over there. I come to this area, and again, my feet are pushed down real firmly. My abs are tight, just like it did in the other exercise. My shoulder blades are drawn down, trying to get my shoulder blades into where? My back pockets, and I push back. And I hold for 5 seconds. And again, then I can find another section coming on up and pushing down. Now, this is also great for those that have chronic pain. And for those of you that have received chiropractic adjustments in this area, this may be one of the very exercises that helps your adjustment hold better. Final exercise we end with for posture correction is I just take my shoulder blades here. My elbows are level with my ears. I make a diamond, and again, my abdominal muscles are tight. My shoulder blades are drawn down, so I put my shoulder blades in my back pocket, lifting through the crown of my head as I push up. Not letting my head go up like this, not letting my shoulder blades go up here, but keeping that drawn down. Let's go 5 more reps of that. So I just push up here. Ooh, Mike, did you capture that on video? That little pop I just got there? Oh, that feels good. And then we go, and I'm just gonna give you 3 awesome reps right there. So those last 2 exercises are done just once, maybe twice a day. But the first 2 that we showed, the opening and Brugers, can be done regularly. And I really think if your doctor says it's okay to do these exercises, if done regularly, you should start to notice that hunchback becomes something quite elegant and stately. I can't wait to hear about if this works for you. Comment below, and what other content you want to see, let us know. Remember, as always, subscribe, like this video, and please, our mission is to share as much good information with folks. So if you like this, please take on our mission to share it with everybody. We love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.